Merry Christmas, all you freaks. Right now, the old Tinker-Dwagon is getting out and testing a few strings of bubble lights for to go on the Christmas tree. Every year we have a little attrition and lose a bulb or two, and they have to be replaced. My supply of working spares is dwindling, but I still try every once in a while to get them up there on the tree. They use this oddball little bulb. It's not a standard nightlight bulb like you might think. Good one measures between 200 and 300 ohms DC. Measured current draw puts them somewhere between 4 and 5 watts. But as you can see, I've got 4 strings. And it looks like we've got a couple more. These two I just had to be replaced for dead bulbs, so they may take a little longer to start up. But hopefully I'll have a full 4 strings, which is just about enough for our 6-foot tree. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to all of you. Later.